So you bought a van, and it turns out they're really high off the ground, and aesthetically something's missing. Side steps. So we ended up going with the Van Explorer side step. We already have their ladder and tire carrier, as well as their wheels. And we also just felt like we really liked the quality of the product, so they seemed like the right choice for us. We also heard that is supposed to be coming out with a roof rack, so we might end up getting that as well, and that way it will just tie everything together. Hi, my name is Joanna. Me and my husband Billy are currently renovating this Sprinter van into a tiny home. So here we are making a Sharpie mark at 15 inches off of this seam. That first Sharpie mark is where the center of this bracket will go.
They don't make it easy for you. Difficult spot to get a rib nut in because behind this, rib nuts like to go in flat, but you gotta drill it. You can see it's like at an angle. The rib nut's gonna want to sit like that, so you need to make sure you drill it straight, like so. It helps if you go with the smaller bit first, and then go to your, whatever this size was.
Isn't it 23/64?
One is done, 3 more to go. After you pull 15 from that seam, you mark 23 on center. 23 on center for your next 3.
Billy stripped
It's cross-threaded and stripped.
another rivet.
Because this is not even. It's not flat.
And now what?
Gotta try to get it out. Not gonna work, mother. I'm probably just gonna leave that. Maybe I grind it, paint over it, and I'll put another one in the middle. Now that we have all the base plates on, we're gonna put on these B brackets. And these go on like so, facing back towards the rear. And use your B bracket hardware. This one is the first one. It's got a little U-shaped notch. The rest of them like that. You want to leave it pretty loose for when you put the actual step on. You can adjust it up and down and in and out. You don't have to do this, but it looks better if you wanted it open inlet. It's probably gonna get dirtier having it on, but you can always remove it if you don't want it. Now we're gonna go through and set the bolts in each location, like so. See how this bracket's got play? We can move it up and down, and forward and backwards. Now we're gonna go through and tighten the step down to the B bracket, and then we'll adjust everything to be evenly in and out distance-wise.
Is our van, and today we are going to be installing a side step because currently there is none. Woo! Woo! That was really high off the ground. So you can see why one might need a step to get into their van. Just look at where the camera is. See, right here?
Like that?
Yeah. Now look at me. There's a big difference.